Hi, my name's Kieran. I'm going to show you how to register a tool for warranty repair. So what you're going to do is go to this website here, highlighted, and you'll come to a screen like this, and very simple, just follow one click to repair, and it'll come to a screen like this. So pick your preferred country of where you're based. United Kingdom for myself. So what you're going to do is create an end user account, fill in all this detail here. We've got pierces, just putting in all the information. And once you filled in all that, just click on register after you filled everything in. Okay. And you'll come to a screen like this and just log in. So using my account now, we'll log in. So I'll ask you, do you want to register? Very similar towards when registering for warranty. It'll just ask you pretty much the same detail. So your production code to start with, and for me it's this tool, and it'll come up with a picture just so you know you're right. Click next, serial number. Yeah, and if you can't, some tools with Milwaukee, you can't see the rating plate, the serial number may be worn off, and if that is the case, just click on here and it'll take you to the next step automatically. And same with the production code. Just again. I'll ask you for your proof of purchase date. Very simple. And if there's any batteries, please put it in there as well. So you put your proof of purchase in there. BPD. There we go. So put that in there. Dealer country, United Kingdom. Dealer location. Very similar to how you register the tool. Same again. Any comments you may add in there, please, as well as the history. And then you validate it. Very much looks like the way how you would register for warranty. And then you come to this screen and just follow this red repair button here. So once you click on that, read through the terms and conditions and just click that you've understood them. So you'll just click yes for this one, and then the arrow. So you choose which service center you'd like to send it to. The main one is CJ Sinclair's. So you just put it in there, click that. And all your details should be filled in as you logged in. So you just click next. Tool return to the address, just make sure all that's right. It should be because it's linked to your account, but if there is any alternatives, just please fill it in there and then fill it in like so. So label, will ask you how you want the label to get to you, obviously by email. If you've got a printer, print on the summary page. And if you don't have anything like that, just click on the bottom one, and the driver will bring a label for you. And if you just put in this box here, what you think the fault is, what's happening with the tool, just anything to give them a bit of an idea. For myself, it'd be burnt out. Just making sure all the email is correct as well. Next. And it'll ask you confirm about the shipping, confirm it's securely packaged, and you've read the warranty. And if there is any batteries, we don't recommend sending them in, but if it's part with default, then just click yes. So no for us. And then any reference for the customer, for us it would be an SRN number, but anything like that, just so for tracking purposes. And just giving a quick look over the summary. Anything you need to edit, just click on these boxes here and then just print your label. There, and that's your reference number on the summary. And for those who have a printer, just click on there. And that's it.